Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. My name is Pasan and today I'm going to show you how to load metadata in Oracle FCCS through DM. Okay, so let's start. So this is our text file through which we are going to import our metadata, and as you can see, this is our parent and these are the account 104, 105 and 106 and 107 I'm going to upload, and this is a data property and this is account type and these are the alias. Okay, so to load the metadata we have to jump to our application and open DM. Through DM we can load metadata and also load data. So today I'm going to show you how to load metadata. So first step is to go to setup and figure out our source system. Okay, so my source system is file and target application is I'm going to upload the data of accounts, metadata of accounts. So I will choose that, target application. Okay, and click save. Okay, so as you can see, these are the total properties which you can see. So right now in my text file, I only need these accounts. Okay, these properties, like I need account type, and alias I need, data storage I need, and last thing I need the parent in which the metadata is going to load. Okay, so I have selected this and click save. Let's go to import format. Okay, click add. So I will name the file as imf underscore metadata load. Okay, and my source is file, so select that. Yeah, and also I have to figure out my target application, like to where the account is going to load. Okay, so select that, and my file type is delimited all data type. Click save, and now we have to do the proper mapping of this. So where's my file import format? Okay, here it is, input format MDL. Okay, so as you can see, these are the columns, so I have to do the mapping accordingly. So my accounts are in column 2, so field number is 2, account type is let me see, account type is asset. Okay, so I will choose 4, and alias default. Simply I will copy and paste it here. Okay, alias are at 5, data we will skip, so let's keep it 5 only for now, and data storage is, I think it is at 3. Yeah, at third column, and our parent is at 1. Okay, so I quickly save this. Okay, and let's select our location. For location I will click add and click create one location over import format. So metadata load, select the import format. This is our import format. Okay, all are correct, so click save, and I will quickly go to the data load mapping in workflow. So select our location, click reset, click search, and this is my location. We have to give the period also, so I'm taking Jan 15. Okay, so I'm going to do the like mapping. Okay, rule is you can give any rule name. Account type, again the star mapping, because all the things are going to copy from the field number. Okay, let's click save again. Every time you have to click save. Data I will skip because we don't have any data. Okay, so let's go to rule and create a data load rule. Actually it's metadata, so it's same. So I will make okay, and this is my input format. I will select the file here. Okay, so I already uploaded my file. As you can see, I will select it and click save. Okay, it is already there. Metadata 100 I will make. Click save. Okay, let's execute and click run. Okay, we got the 2 golden fishes. As you can see, let's refresh again. Okay, click refresh again. Yeah, you can see now our data is imported, validated and exported also. So to check that, we will go to our application, go to dimensions, and I know the account number. One sec. Okay, so as you can see, here is our account which we have imported. As you can see, 104 escrow bonds. Okay, and these all are the metadata accounts we have imported. Okay, so this was it. And one thing, if your metadata has not been showing up here, you just have to click refresh from here, and then you will check again, then your metadata will come. Okay, so thank you for now, and thank you for watching this video. If you have any query, please visit our website, that is bispsolutions.com. Okay, thank you.